After having our consultation with Bianca and diagnosing what the hair needs, we're going to be using the SEALVER Shampoo and Mask. This product line is specifically designed to neutralize yellow, brassy and warm tones within the hair. It is a product that can be used on blonde hair or naturally grey coloured hair also. The SEALVER Shampoo is going to strengthen and restore moisture into the hair, adding softness and flexibility. We're now going to apply the SEALVER Shampoo. This product is going to be perfect for neutralizing the warm and brassy tones. As with all of the Lauger line, the product is complete and made up from the Lauger Nord 5 complex, biotin, and ingredients to deliver the conditioning agents to the hair.